Hello friends, how you doing? It's Sherry. Welcome to the weekend and December 4, the fourth day of my December daily. And yeah, just let me know if you're doing one in the comments. Several people have let me know, and people are doing different things, following prompts, doing their own thing. So it's a fun thing, I think, to do for December if you want to and if you have time. But, I'm not taking a lot of time with this, so even if you just have a few minutes a day, you can do a December daily, or like you don't even have to do it every day. Just if you have a few minutes, 2 or 3 times a week, you can just do 2 or 3 days at a time. I've done that before. So anyway, this is my December daily, as I have shown you before. And so I was so excited yesterday on December 3rd. I'm going to put it on today because I already did December 3rd, but I'll write down when I got it. But I received a surprise little something in the mail yesterday, a super cute little envelope here. You can see it's decorated, and this is from Giselle at It's Paper and Glue, y'all. It's Paper and Glue, y'all. So yeah, I will link her channel below. So yeah, you guys should go check out her channel because she has a pretty new channel, but she has some really awesome videos over there. You should pop over there and tell her I sent you, and that you have subscribed, and watch some of her videos, and like and comment. You know how that is. It's so appreciated, whether you're new or you've been on YouTube for a while. Everybody appreciates it. I really think so. There's a little sticker on the back too. I'm going to be putting this envelope in here today too. Here's the card. Look how cute. And there's a yo-yo here. I was like, oh my goodness, this is the cutest little card ever. And it's she's got a little stamp here even. A handmade card by Gigi. So Giselle, especially for you. Okay, and she wrote me a little note in here, wishing you a happy holiday season. I've been enjoying your channel, your neighbor, and she, I don't think she'll mind me saying, because I'm not giving her address, but we both live in North Carolina, so that's awesome to meet another North Carolinian. So I'm going to go over to my page. I realized that I did not put a number on this page, which I want to do. I put a number on every page, some type of number to represent the day, like the 3rd, like today's the 4th. So yesterday was the 3rd, so I have this little number here from it's a cutout from my Graphic 45 paper pad. And so I'm going to glue this down here I'm going to put it right here, like, I kind of don't have anywhere. I was thinking of putting a number here, but this one's too big, and this one looks cute on here, so I'm just going to glue it down right here. So I'm going to put some glue on the top there. Just got my art glitter glue out here. I always have both my glues handy in case I need them. I have my Fabri-Tac over there, but yeah, just put glue on the top. I'm going to glue it right here like a little tab. So I have my number 3 for yesterday right there. So see, it can be a little tab if I want to use it. I started writing in here. I didn't get it all done because I realized after I wrote this one, I was like, well, I wrote quite a bit there for one person, which I intended. But so I wrote the names on that I want to write about on each one, and now I got to go back and finish writing the gifts that I get everyone. But here's the card. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down here. It's perfect on this page. This is let's see, I dyed this with Rit dye. A while ago I had some Rit dye that I was dyeing actually a piece of clothing with, and I had a lot extra. So I saved it, and I've used it all up now. That was a couple, 2 or 3 years ago. And I still have the paper left, some of the paper. But I saved the extra and just used it for dyeing papers, and this is one of them here. So let me go ahead and put some, I think I will use Fabri-Tac on here. I think it just will grab nice and keep this card, it's 2 layers plus the decoration. I just love that yo-yo. That is so cute. What's on there? I can't see it. Is it little kitty cats? But it's so cute. I've never seen a yo-yo with a button on a card before. That is so adorable, Giselle. Thank you so much. when I realized I opened it, I was like, oh, this is so cute. And I was like, oh, I can put this in my December daily. Yay. I have something to put in my December daily. I was so excited. So it was such a nice surprise when I got the mail. And I said, oh, this is for me. You know what I mean? Something for me. It has my name on it. So exciting. So I'm going to put it I'm going to put it up a little bit toward the top so that I can fit my number below. So right here, let me open it up and press it down here. So yeah, I've been started watching Giselle's channel and have watched a few of her videos at least, and super fun. I really like her channel, so definitely go check it out and give her some crafty love. So there we go. Awesome. Isn't it beautiful? In my December daily, doesn't that make it a great page? It's awesome. So here's my number I thought I would use for today. I didn't have a number 4 from my graphic 45 or any of the other like little flashcards that I've pulled out. So I have a little bowl of numbers, these little tags that I made from, I just had coffee dyed these tags, and I didn't know what I was going to do with them. And then I decided to put my number stamp on all of them, and I put it, see, on both sides, so I can dangle it from something like a charm or something, or now I'm going to glue it down right here as a little, I'm going to leave the string on there too. Maybe I'll put it over here so the string can go out this way or down. Maybe I'll hang something on the string. I can hang a little bell on there or something if I want to. I'll think about that and do that later. But right now I'm just going to glue this down with some art glitter glue, since this is just a little lightweight. It's coming out. Thought it wasn't coming out. But yeah, it's just a little lightweight tag, so I'm going to glue it down with some of this. And I'll get glue all over, so it's all glued down. Alright, probably too much, but it'll be glued down for sure. Alright, get it down there. Alright, right here, number 4, December 4. Alright, so I'm going to be using 2 pages. I'm going to write a little note right here that I received it on December 3rd, from Giselle, and put her channel name probably down here too. It's Paper and Glue, y'all. And then I'm going to put the envelope over here because this envelope is so cute. So I thought I would just, because I have something else from yesterday that I want to put in here, a private thing, a personal thing that I got yesterday. So I thought I could just go ahead and use this envelope. I wanted to keep it anyway, so I'm going to put the envelope here, and then I'll put my little personal thing in there, and maybe a little note in there too about what it is. And then I'll have it tucked away privately, still have the envelope, and have something to put in the envelope. And there's so much more you could do also. I mean, if you have an envelope, of course, you can make it, you can hinge it. I thought about that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to glue it down. Or you could make a pocket behind it if you wanted to double pocket. I'm just gluing this down. I don't have anything to put behind it. I just have something to put in it. So I'm not going to worry about doing a double pocket or hinging it or anything like that. But that's just some ideas. If you're gluing in an envelope, that there's options besides just gluing it down like this. But I just don't happen to want to do that right now. So, or need to do it, you know what I mean? I'm a pretty practical person, so you know what I mean? Like, I just want everything to be useful, if you know what I mean. So if I don't need a double pocket, I don't want to have that pressure on me to have to find something to put behind there. I just need to have one pocket and I'll be good. So, yeah. So there we go. Super cute. I'm going to take this little, cut out this little. So this is all part of December 4 today. Today's December daily. So we will see what tomorrow or today brings, because this is morning when I'm doing this, and who knows what will happen today and what I'll do for tomorrow. I don't have a plan. I have no plans for each day, just playing it by ear. And that's, see what happened. I have something, a card I received yesterday to put in here. Let's see where I'm going to put this now. Let me put it down here. That'll be cute. And then I have that other thing I'm going to put in the envelope, and you never know what will happen each day. But tomorrow I have this little Rolodex card I had put on here, just as a, you can have it as a writing spot. You can write back here, or I could even glue it down and make it into a pocket. Decorate this, lots of options there. So we'll see what I come up with for tomorrow. But that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the card. Thank you again, Giselle. You made my perfect page here. So beautiful. Just really love this card. And her channel will be linked below, so make sure you check it out. And I will see you all in my next video. I probably will have another video later today because I had a plan for another video, so I need to go ahead and do that. So look for that later today, and I'll see you then. Happy crafting and have an awesome weekend.